Welcome. Good evening students. Today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic, that is sense organs, which is from EVS subject. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, so before we go and see in detail, just confirm the definition of sense organs. Okay, let's start the definition of sense organs. The organs that help us to sense the things around us are called sense organs. Okay, this is the definition of sense organs. That is, I repeat, the organs that help us to sense the things around us are called the sense organs. This is the definition of sense organs. Okay, so what are those sense organs? That sense organs includes eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These 5 organs are coming under sense organs. Okay. First sense organ is eyes. Okay. Children, we have 2 eyes. Okay. With the help of eyes, we can see the object. If we want to watch TV, if we want to see any object, with the help of eyes, we can see that. Okay. This is the purpose of see. Then second point, that is, if we want to read any books, by means of eyes we can read. Okay. If we eat carrot, vegetables and all, the eyes become healthier. Okay. Next sense organ is nose. Nose help us to smell. Okay. If we want to smell anything, in the sense, if we want to sense the nice aroma, with the help of nose we can sense that. Okay. Third sense organ is ears. Children, we have 2 ears. With the help of that we can hear any sound. If we want to listen music, with the help of ears we can hear. Okay. Any sound which can be received by ears, then we can sense that sound. Okay. This is the use of ears. Next, move on to tongue. With the help of tongue we can sense the taste. Okay. It helps us to sense the taste. Okay. Under this taste we have 4 different types are there. Okay. First one salty taste, second one sweet taste, third one sour taste and fourth one bitter taste. Okay. These are all the 4 types of taste which can be sensed by tongue. Okay. This is the use of tongue. Next, move on to skin. Skin which covers the body. Okay. All the organs are covered by skin. Okay. And also this helps us to sense the touch and feeling things. Feeling things in the sense, if we want to sense hot climate, or else if we touch any teddy bear like soft things, we can sense that softness through skin. And also if we want to touch something hard, by means of skin we can sense that hardness. Okay. And also if we touch the eyes we can feel cold. By means of the skin we can sense the coldness. Okay. This is the use of skin. That's all regarding this sense organs. Okay. So under the sense organs we have seen 5 different categories of sense organs. Okay. Let's go and do some exercise. Students, we are going to discuss about true or false. Okay. Which one is a correct sentence and which one is not correct. We are going to find out. Okay. Let's start the first question. The organs that help us to sense the things around us are called internal organs. Is it correct or not? The organs that help us to sense the things around us are called sense organs. It's not internal organs. This is wrong statement. Okay. So, the organs that help us to sense the things around us are called sense organs. So, this is a false statement. F-A-L-S-E. This is a false statement. And next, second question. We watch television with our eyes. What type of sentence is this? We watch television with our eyes. This is a correct sentence because we always watch movie or films through our eyes. So, this is a correct sentence. So, we have to write true. T-R-U-E. T-R-U-E. That is the spelling of true. Then, next move on to third question. We hear music with our nose. What type of sentence is this? Is it true or false? We hear music with our nose? No. We hear music with our ears, not nose. This is a false statement. So, nose. Ears, it's supposed to be there. Okay. But here they have given nose. So, this is a false statement. So, write false. F-A-L-S-E. Okay. Next, fourth question. I smell perfume with my nose. Okay. Whatever the good smell or bad smell, if whatever is there, we can sense through our nose. Okay. So, I smell perfume with my nose is a correct statement. Okay. So, we have to write true. T-R-U-E. This is a correct sentence. Okay. Students, let's discuss about match the following. Okay. Look at the first question. We use our nose to what? We use our nose to what? With the help of nose, we can sense the smell. Okay. So, let's find out where is smell here. First one here, see, feel, taste, and here smell. Okay. So, what is the use of nose? That is, it helps to sense the smell. Okay. So, write number 1. Please learn the spelling of smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay. Next, second question. We use our eyes to what? We use our eyes to watch something, see something. Okay. So, let's check the answer. Where is see? Here? No. It smell? No. So, we use our eyes to see. So, this is C. Let's write the number. That is 2. Okay. Next, third question. We use our ears to what? Children, just check the use of ears. What is the use of ears? Ears help us to hear the sound. Okay. Let's check the answer. Where is here? Here is it. It is in the first. So we have to write question number 3. Okay. Now tell me, what is the answer? We use our ears to hear. Hear spelling H-E-A-R. Hear. Okay. Write number 3. This is the answer for third question. Okay. Next, fourth question. We use our tongue to. So what is the use of tongue? Tongue help us to sense the taste. Okay. Taste. So let's find out where is taste. Hear, see, smell, feel, taste. So at last they have given. So write number 4, because the question, we use our tongue to taste. So write number 4. Next, move on to fifth question. Students, please learn the spelling whatever I am giving here. T-A-S-T-E. T-A-S-T-E. That is the spelling of taste. Next, move on to fifth question. We use our hands to feel. Okay. If we want to feel coldness, or else if we want to touch something too hot, that can be sensed by hands. Okay. Because skin is responsible for the sensitiveness. Okay. So write, we use our hands to feel something. We can find out it is too hot or too cold by means of hands. Okay. Write number 5. Okay. This is the answer for fifth question. Okay. Okay children, we are going to discuss some of the difficult words to learn. Okay. Students, we are going to speak about some of the words I have written in the board. Okay. You have to learn and practice at home. Okay. First one, sense organs. Second one, smell. And third one, hear. And fourth one, touch. Fifth one, taste. Sixth one, sour. Seventh one, sweet. And eighth one, soft. And ninth one, salty. And 10th one, bitter. Okay. These are all the 10 words you have to learn at home. Okay. Learn the spellings. Okay kids. Next, move on to homework. In homework, please take page number 15 in your EVS test book. Okay. Where they have given exercise number A, that is exercise A. Write 3 things you can do with the following body parts. They have given this question. Okay. Please check with this your book. And below that heading, they are asking first question hands, and second question legs, and third question mouth. Please write any 3 uses of each body parts. Okay. This is your today's homework. Okay kids. Thank you.